The D-EVO suite has been a big improvement in our imaging quality. Our imaging quality before, we couldn't ever get like a good T-spine. I felt like it was so frustrating. And this one, it's like everything's so crisp and it's like just, I mean, worlds different.
Yeah, we like having the free cassette just because, you know, you can do a lot of extremity work with that. That makes it easier and it requires less dose for the patient. You're not having to always use the grid in the table to do your extremity work.
With that virtual grid, it just makes it way easier. You can do a lot more and not, you know, break your wrist too. Trying to put the grid and sliding that under to get hips and everything. And then the images are really good.
This machine, the detail is great. What I'm seeing, I see a lot better and with better detail.
I definitely think it's easier to do larger patients here in this room than our previous room, which just in general the table like weight limit's much higher. So yeah, we can do more of the bariatric group of people. The table lowers down further for, you know, your more difficult patients, especially you know, elderly or even pediatrics. It's easier for, you know, a young child to get on it as it's lower instead of, you know, you lifting the child onto the table.